What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to teach you how I earned $455 in the first 4 days of January on Autopilot using this big traffic method. My name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa, and on this channel I teach you business models and ways to make money online in 2020 and beyond on the daily, so make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of content. But in this specific video, this is really going to be a gem mine full of information, really valuable information. And I'm going to give you 1 free and 2 big paid traffic methods that I've used before to generate a lot of traffic and sales. And these paid methods are definitely worth the watch and the investment into a strategy like this. And it's key that you stick with me to understand what these traffic methods are. I'm also going to give you access to viral content that will give you a lot of traffic for free to your offer, and I'm also going to show you how you can build an entire Instagram and social media business using this model. I'm also going to show you how you can sign up anywhere in the world on Clickbank. This is a must watch because a lot of people have been asking me, how do I sign up on Clickbank when it's not supported in my country? And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. And this method requires an initial setup and can become passive from there. So it's 1 or 2 super easy things that you've got to set up, which I'm going to take you through that process, and it's important that you stick with me through that. And this can be free to do. However, the paid traffic methods will definitely give you a much larger boost. And one thing that I want you to understand, this will not happen overnight. You can make 1 or 2 sales overnight and make $200-300, but this will take a little bit of action and consistency before this can become on autopilot mode and become an entire sustainable business. But as I say, this video is going to be value packed with information, so it's important that you follow with me. I'm going to take you through each and every step, and if you're new to the channel, you can actually click on the link in the description where you can join my private Facebook group and message me personally if you need any help. But if you're ready for this value packed video, let's get straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to do with this strategy is I'm going to identify a couple of niches that you guys can use, and I'm going to start off with Instagram, and then I'm going to get to the 3 traffic methods, the 1 free one and the 2 paid ones, and how you can get this viral content as well that you can post and get a ton of traffic to your offer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Instagram and let's identify a couple of niches. So for example, I'm going to perhaps choose, let's say, sports such as rugby or cricket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to, or football is also trending at the moment. So let's go football on the search bar, and you'll see a ton of football pages such as Nike Football. We can open up that one in a new page. BR Football, Football Memes, Instagram. These are 3 that we can use. You can see right here, these posts are just generic meme posts that you can find online. Same with this page right here, but I'm going to show you where you can get unique viral content that will make your page also go viral. And you'll see right here, if I also go look for cricket is another popular sport. You'll see right here, let's go to Cricket Insiders. We can also go to India cricket team, West Indies cricket, and you can also identify a ton of viral content based on the cricketing niche. Now this can be used for anything. It can be used for food, entrepreneurship, making money online. It can be used for furniture. Any sort of industry that you can think of can be used for this strategy. And you can see these posts are getting a lot of likes, 50k likes, 28k, 51k, 70k, 40k, same here, 229k, 173k, 174k. These viral posts are getting a lot of likes. So this strategy is not only going to include making an Instagram page and including your link in the bio. This is where I'm going to show you 2 more traffic methods on top of this to get even more sales. Another niche we could use is also basketball, where you can find a ton of videos. You can see right here another basketball page. 21k views, 46k views, 30k, 66k views. So these are all viral content that is proven to go viral already. But what I do suggest is to get viral content for your Instagram page or business to be more unique, because when you're reposting other people's content, it is already on Instagram and it's kind of like secondhand viral posts, which might not go as viral. So what I suggest is come over to YouTube. You can type in your niche. So let's go, for example, football, or let's go soccer viral videos. We can find soccer viral videos. You'll see right here 9.8 million views. What we want to do is we want to filter by Creative Commons, meaning these are videos that we can download and reuse. So you'll see right here 6x9 rolls his ankle while trying to play soccer, 2.9 million views. This one here, football players on social media, 4.5 million views. Blind soccer match meme, 69k views, 28k views, 7.2k views. We can also go do, let's go basketball viral, for example. You'll see right here, if we filter again by Creative Commons, there's a ton of viral videos that you can download and reuse, such as some of these right here. We can also go, for example, best basketball shots, and we can filter this by Creative Commons as well. So let's filter this to Creative Commons, and you'll see right here Michael Jordan's top 10 most impossible shots in his career, 4.4k, 1.7k, 2.4k. This is stuff that you can download, reuse, and create an entire Instagram page, and it will go viral pretty quickly if you post consistently, because this is videos on YouTube that has not been seen on Instagram yet. So what you can do is, let's choose this one, for example, Michael Jordan's top 10. We can click on that video, we can copy this link, we can actually then go to Google and type in YouTube video downloader. There's actually a first link right here of y2mate.com. You can paste this link, click on start, and your video will download to your PC as an MP4 format. Right here you can select 720p and it will download. And then what you can do is, I suggest come over to these viral basketball or soccer or whatever niche pages you have chosen, have a look at some of their videos, have a look at how they've edited them, and replicate that yourself. You can go to Google and you can download a program called Film Express, which is a free video editing software that you can use to make Instagram videos. Free to use. Go and download this so you can use this in the strategy. So now that we've got our viral content, how to create our Instagram page or our Instagram business, you can also head over to canva.com and you can design yourself a nice little Instagram logo for your page that looks really attractive. You'll see right here, if you go type in Instagram, you'll see they've got Instagram post and Instagram post portrait, or you can also head over to the logo section on Canva to design a beautiful logo for your page. We want to now come over to Clickbank so we can find our product that we're going to now make money on with our Instagram business and how to monetize our Instagram page. But first we need to create our account. So you want to click on create account on the Chrome browser. You want to make sure that you've got the setup VPN installed on your computer. Click on continue as a free user and click on United States so you can connect to the United States, because Clickbank, I think at the moment, is only accepting United States affiliates. Refresh your page so the page now thinks you're in the United States. You can then select your country. So we go look for US. First name, enter your first name, last name, and then for a phone number, you can come over here to a temporary US phone number. Let's use this one right here, receivesms.com. We can then copy this message or number right here, copy that, come back to your Clickbank account and paste this as your number. Email address, enter your normal email address and enter your password. Now what you can do is click on I have read terms and conditions, accept them, and click on join Clickbank. You'll see it will ask you, want a head start? We'll send you training on how to be successful with Clickbank. You can click yes if you're interested in more. I'm just going to click no, I've got this on my own. You'll see right here, complete your profile. What you want to do is enter your street address, app department, state, province from the US. So you can go on back to Google and you can type in US address generator. Okay, once it's done, click on this one right here, US address generator on Google, and you can actually copy this address that it's generated for you to Clickbank so that it will approve your account. And then once your account's approved, head over to your Clickbank account. So I'm going to head over to my clickbank.com account and you can actually change your information back to your own country. So I'm going to quickly log in and show you how to do that, and you'll have a verified Clickbank account within your own country where Clickbank isn't even supported. But you can still get paid to your country via Payoneer or check. So I have now signed into my account. Head over to account settings and you'll see right here you can edit all of your details, such as edit on your account information. My address will be covered, and all the contact information, you can edit that as well. So now that we have our Clickbank account, you want to click on the marketplace button where it will take you to the marketplace. And let's type in, for example, football. If we're going to choose football as our niche, You'll see right here, football accumulated tips, a whole course on various different tips on football, a football acca tips premiership specialist, a king football tips. You're going to make $8 a sale, $87 a sale, $31 a sale. And you can use this one, for example. It's pretty cheap. You've already got your own landing page that you don't have to design yourself, which is really handy. You can also come over to the search bar and type in basketball. We can find more stuff on basketball. So if you have a look here, youth basketball practice plans special and soccer bundle, you're going to make $15 per sale. Right here, best sports service in the country, $15 per sale. The jump manual is converting like crazy. So this is a jump high trainer course with volleyball, basketball, football, dance at $122 you're going to earn per sale, which is a good one to promote. So what we can then do is, let's say I'm going to promote this one with basketball or this jump course. I'm going to click on promote. I'm going to click on generate hop links. You'll see it will now generate my link to this product. So when people click on this link and they purchase this product, remember, you most likely going to get quite a couple of sales with all the viral traffic methods that I'm going to give you right now. But first we want to shorten this link because it is very ugly and lengthy and it looks very scammy. So we can come over to a platform called bit.ly where we can actually shorten this link and track the amount of clicks that it gets. So you'll see right here, click on create. You can paste your long link. You can then click on create in the bottom right and it will generate your short link right here. Click on copy that. Your link is now copied. And then what you want to do is you want to create a neat little bio. Go and have a look at other Instagram pages within your niche, such as this bio right here, such as the hottest highlights in basketball. Take influence from it. Don't copy it word for word. So you can literally copy this, change the words a bit, and then you can have your link in the description. And what I suggest you do is post once a day, create a TikTok account as well. We all know TikTok is completely going viral at the moment. There's kids on TikTok getting billions of views overnight. And then what you can have is you can have your Instagram bio in your TikTok bio, which will then lead traffic from TikTok to your affiliate link as well. So try post viral content once a day. And if you do this for like a year, you're probably going to create a life-changing Instagram business. As I say, it's not something that will happen overnight. It will take consistency to build up an Instagram brand. But now that you know how to get this viral content and be unique about it, you're most likely going to grow faster. So now that we have our Instagram page, let's take this one for example. Let's say this is the page I've now created. What you want to do is the first free traffic that I'm giving you is Instagram itself. The fact that you're posting viral content and it's already proven to get a ton of traffic. Also use hashtags in your posts. You'll see if I click on this person most likely uses a ton of hashtags. You can see right here, make sure to use a lot of hashtags in your posts and you will get a lot of traffic to your posts. And then also go to TikTok and use a lot of hashtags there. But the first paid method that I want to show you guys, it's a method I've used before. You want to come over to a website called shoutcart.com and you can actually purchase shout outs from influencers on Instagram already within your niche. Now I've actually done this with Bluehost hosting before. So you can see right here is my Bluehost account. I've already made $455 and we only for the month of January, and we're only at the 4th of January using Instagram shout outs or shout out methods from influencers. So what I would do is I would go over to Instagram and I would type in, for example, let's go marketing or web hosting, sorry. You'll see right here, I can go to Gazelle web host at currently 2,000 followers. I can also head over to the web hosting hashtag and you can find pages within that hashtag, such as this one right here with 11.6k followers. And what I do is I'd reach out to these people and pay them for like a story shout out for 24 hours with my link in the bio to my hosting account where you get like a 50% discount on Bluehost. And that is how I got sales doing this. Yes, it's a different product, but it is the same strategy. So come over to a website called shoutcart.com. You can register for free and you'll see if I go browse influencers, I will show you how you can find people within your niche to shout out your specific Instagram page. And you can see a ton of accounts here, such as this one right here, 51k followers, 700k followers, and you're paying $30 for a shout out on a page that has 751k followers. Same with this one right here, 4.5 million followers, and you're paying $200 for a shout out to a network of 4.5 million followers. So think of the amount of traffic that you can get to your offer with this. But let's search for something within our specific niche. Let's go, for example, football. We can see if we can find any pages with football. I click on search. Here's some perfect pages right here. This one right here, got to do with goals, football, 109k followers, $12 for a shout out to a network of 109k followers. At football, 575.1k followers for a shout out for $35, which is really, really good. Same here, 1.3 million. $275. You can see the amount of traffic that you can generate with this, and these shoutouts don't cost a lot at all whatsoever. And you'll see right here, and what you can also do is once your page starts to grow to like 5 or 10k followers, you can come list your page on Shoutcart, and then you can get paid for shoutouts as well. So now not only are you earning through your affiliate offer, you're also getting paid through shoutouts with other Instagram accounts to earn money through your Instagram page. And another website that you can use as well to get a lot of traffic like this is a website called ifluence.com, where you can actually get shoutouts as well. So you can click on I am a brand, or if you click on the influencers tab, you'll actually see right here, you can click on join. You need to sign up and you'll get access to the page where you can access all the different influencer accounts that are promoting the gigs where you can purchase shoutouts from. And another platform as well as an extra bonus is izia.com, where you can sign up as an influencer and also get shoutouts from some of the biggest Instagram pages within your niche and get a ton of traffic to your offer. What I suggest is build more than one page. So literally you can go build a page about soccer, about dieting, about football, cricket, hockey, anything you can think of, whether it's woodworkings. Create a page on many things as possible. Work at this for a couple of months, even a couple of days. You might even get a sale within your first day. You never know. It's all about how hard you work at this, and yeah, there's maybe a bit of luck involved as well, and also the type of offer that you're offering. But now that you guys understand this strategy, what I want you to do is click on the video that I've got here right here on the screen, and I will teach you how to build a $5,000 drop servicing business live in a 40-minute free course that gurus charge hundreds of dollars for right here for free on YouTube. Make sure to click on it and I'll see you there.